Yo, what's up guys? Today I'll teach you the bongo drum sound. Sounds like um, I think that the sound is invented by rockstar groups who uses it in beats like um, the sound is not that hard to learn. Um, First, you need to know how to do a rim shot or a rim shot, which sounds like just inward snare but without breathing in. So it's like um, the second sound that you need is the throat kick, which sounds like you use only your throat, like you see how my Adam's apple is moving. And then you have to combine those two sounds in one, the rim shot plus the throat kick, and you get the bongo drum. Oh, 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 oh. Yeah, that's the story. Please follow me on my Facebook fan page and stay tuned.